Chapter 1, Foundations for Functions. Section 1-1, Sets of Numbers. We're on page 10, problems 2 and 5 through 7. Okay, problem 2. We are to order the given numbers from least to greatest first. So in order to do that, first thing you want to do is put them all in the same form. So 3 root 2 in decimal form, I'm going to write that up here, be 4.24. Square root of 7 is approximately 2.65. And we have 5.125. I'm just going to write that. 4 3/5 is 4.6. And 4.6 repeating is 4.67. So again, from least to greatest, the lowest number is 2.65, which is the square root of 7. So you want to make sure you're writing them in their original form. The next one would be 4.24, which is 3 root 2. The next one then would be 4.6, which is 4 3/5. Next one would be 4.67 or 4.6 repeating. And then the last one is 5.125. And the next thing it asks us to do is to classify each number by subsets. So if I look at my classifications, I have rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and irrational numbers. So irrational numbers, anything that cannot be put into a fraction. So that's anything that's not a repeating decimal or a finite decimal. So the square root of 7 would be irrational. And I just label it IRR. The same with, it would be an integer, whole number, or a natural number. Pi is an irrational number. So subsets, let's just change the color to black. Square root of 7 is not a finite or repeating decimal, so it's irrational. Three root 2, again, irrational. Four 3/5 is 4.6, so that is just a rational number. Four 4.6 repeating is a repeating decimal, rational number. And 5.125 is a finite decimal, so it is a rational number. Okay, the next problems. Use interval notation to represent each set of numbers. So let's recall what interval notation is. It's using your parentheses or brackets with numbers in between. So interval notation for the first one does not include -10, so it uses a parenthesis. It does include +10, so we use a bracket. The arrow in number 6 is pointing to the left, so that's negative infinity. And anytime we use infinity, we use a parenthesis. It's an open circle, so it does not include the number, so it is a parenthesis. Okay, number 7 includes 1, bracket, does not include 20, parenthesis, or we think about what this looks like graphed, x greater than 30 would be open circle to the right, so that would be positive infinity. So it starts at 30, open circle, so it's a parenthesis, goes forever to the right, positive infinity, parenthesis. I hope that gave you a little bit better understanding of sets of numbers.